I'm Aiden Crumpton. I'm from the American College of the Building Arts in Charleston, and I'm interning at CBMM for about 2 months. I've been doing a little bit of work on the Winnie Estelle. I was interested in interning here because they have such an emphasis on restoration is really it. You know, the college that I'm going to, they're all about, you know, learning how to restore and maintain old historical buildings, and it's kind of like not the inverse, but it's pretty much the exact same thing here. Is like they're restoring these old boats, and it's like they're kind of resurrecting these ties to history. And I wasn't innately like passionate about restoration or anything until I went to this school, but the more that I like delve into that, the more it interests me. It like keeps history alive. Tearing all these pieces off and putting them back on, it's a lot of work, but it like keeps people invested and like keeps them interested in the past. They don't forget like kind of what built the area. There's so much to do around here that you get, as an intern, I get a lot of experience all at once. You know, we get to use like giant tools that you normally don't get to use. You get to use, I get to go through the milling process again. Like it teaches me how to be versatile. Yeah, it's pretty amazing being able to, especially as like my first internship, it's amazing to be able to be on such a large historical structure like the Winnie Estelle. It has a lot of history to it. Definitely not like your everyday experience to be on such a large structure and to actually get to be a part of like putting it together and kind of bringing an old piece of history like kind of back to life a little bit, because I was, to my recollection, it was in a pretty rough shape, and now it's looking really, really good. And even though I haven't contributed a whole lot, just being able to like cut pieces for it and prepare things for all the master shipwrights has been a pretty amazing experience. Yeah, so I'll be here for a couple more months up until about early August, and I'm really excited to see what other projects they have me do here, especially any more work on the Winnie Estelle would be amazing.